All right, so now we're going to assemble. And I got the oven preheated at 350. So I'm going to assemble 6 of these. So I'm going to start with, if you can see, cheese. So we're going to start with cheese. 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 Actually, this one I could turn over because it's flatter on this side. I mean, as you're doing the stuff, you'll figure out what's easier. I mean, it really don't matter. You can push it down. All right, so I'm going to just make one up for y'all. And then that's how the rest is going to be made. So I don't have to go, so that y'all don't have to. So I'll make this one up. I'll switch this over since this is a little bit flatter. Give you what you're working with. Put a little bit more cheese. That one didn't have a lot. This is the taco meat is right here. I'll put it in a little thing. So maybe this is a better view for you. Let me see. Okay. So taco meat. So I'm going to put it right here. The salsa. Put a little bit more taco meat right there. Just open it up for me. Teeny bit more cheese. Give me a spoon. A little bit of salsa. A little bit of salsa. And it's going to go in the oven like this. And then once it comes out, oh, I put a little bit of onions on it too, so you can have some nice little grilled onion. And then once it comes out, the oven, all the other toppings will go on it.